Okay, I'm going to show you how to get to Splash Learn and show you what you're supposed to be doing today. After you turn in your math assignment that you're supposed to turn in on Seesaw, you're going to go to Clever. Then you're going to click on Our Class. Once you click on Our Class, you see this little hippopotamus with big teeth down here. You're going to click on him. It's going to tell you to rotate your device, so do that. Then there's a place where you click Open. I click Open, and here's what I see. If it asks you for a code, it might ask you for a code. If it asks you for a code, it is on your Seesaw schedule, but I can also tell it to you. It's NPSVME. NPSVME, but it's also on your schedule. When you get here, you're not supposed to click on anything at the bottom. You need to click right here where it says My To-Dos. There are all these little games on here. You have to play them in the order that they have them in here. So you have to play this game. It's not going to let you play the next game until you've done this one. And you can just keep going and play all the levels as you have time. And if you don't get it finished today or even get it started today, then you can do it tomorrow.